Shocking development. Parliamentary opposition questions action taken against NEPA officer who identified breaches at controversial apartment complex. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. And a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Also this evening, suspect in custody for contract-style killing on Washington Boulevard. And another bank scam. This time, a husband and wife are victims. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. Details right after the break.
The